Hello and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. Today we have the pleasure of looking around Tiffany Watson's garden gym. Having caught her attention with our fantastic social media reviews, she decided to buy one of our Titania garden offices. Over to you, Tiffany.
Hi, welcome to Dunster House TV. I'm Tiffany Watson. I'm a reality TV personality and social media influencer. Let me show you our outdoor gym from Dunster House. Come on in.
What was it that made you choose Dunster House over the other garden buildings companies?
We'd seen really good reviews about Dunster House on social media. The one that we went for just really fitted the space that we had to work with. We bought this house about a year ago and did a massive renovation and decided to get one of the Dunster House outhouses.
It looks like the perfect space to suit your needs and fits nicely in your garden. What made you decide to buy a garden building?
One of the reasons we were so keen to get one of these Dunster House outhouses to make it a home gym is because it's going to save us so much time. We're able to just come across here from the house. We don't have to travel to a gym. Obviously my husband's an athlete, so working out is really important to him as it is to me. I can't wait to get back into it once the baby's here. And yeah, we're just so happy with how it all turned out.
We're so happy that you enjoyed your Dunster House experience. For obvious reasons, Tiffany didn't get involved in the build, but left it in the hands of some builders who found it super easy and had it built in a couple of hours. Thank you so much, Tiffany, for showing us around. We wish you all the best and hope you enjoy your garden gym for years to come. Until next time.